Hi, Dr. Tammy Penhollow with Precision Regenerative Medicine. Today we're talking about the Tower of Power. That's our signature solution here at Precision Regenerative Medicine, and I'm talking about keeping strength, core stabilization, spinal stabilization, and actually hip and pelvis stabilization. And one of the easiest ways to do it is with something like this. Simple balance ball. You can use it to sit on at your desk. So many of us are sitting at a desk even more recently. And I use it for at least 15 minutes, if not an hour of each of my desk time. It's so simple. You just sit on the ball, make sure that it's the correct height so that you're still not creating any stress while you're at the computer and with the keyboard. But you want it inflated enough that when you're putting your feet flat on the ground, you have to engage the core. You have to have tight abs to keep yourself from wobbling all over on the ball. And I do definitely want to warn you that starting at about 15 minutes is all a lot of people can handle if they've got a weak core, and then build it up 5 minutes at a time till finally you can sit on it for several hours a day. There are a lot of chairs that have a ball on it, but then that ball sits within a frame and is on rollers, and that actually does a little bit of stabilization for you. So if you truly want your own core to be engaged, sit on the ball. After that, you can take that same ball and you can do a lot of stability workouts for everything from sitting on the ball and extending your arms, extending your legs, using push-ups on the ball, etc. So it can be a very simple, I'm just going to do this when I can during my workday, to it can be a crucial part of a workout where you are passing the ball from your feet to your hands and using your core to come up into a V position, etc. Another very common and very easy core stabilization exercise is a plank. And I know you're saying, oh my God, I can't do the plank. It hurts my back. It hurts my shoulders. It hurts my wrists. Instead of doing the traditional plank with an outstretched arm, like you're in a push-up position, kind of arms here, feet here, you can do this on the forearms. Just Google good format of forearm plank and know that doing a proper forearm plank can take care of everything from between the shoulder blades all the way up to the neck, all the way down into the legs. It certainly works the abs, it certainly works the core, and the core is not just abs, it's everything basically in the trunk to keep everything stabilized. So that is your tower of power, and it will likely be a part of any regenerative orthobiologic solution that you are engaged with me at Precision Regenerative Medicine, because it's crucial for prevention of low back pain and spine pain and neck pain. It's also crucial for treatment, to have a nice strong core, those nice strong abs that hold you erect and then keep your posture in alignment, and that can then keep your gait in alignment so that you're not likely to do a whole bunch of compensation. The way you walk, if your knee hurts, it's going to translate all the way up to the back. So you need to have that nice strong core to fight that, counteract that as you're getting your knee better with the orthobiologics like the PRP or the bone marrow aspirate concentrate. So just know, if you come see me, you're likely to hear about the Tower of Power, and here are 2 quick ways to engage that core with the balance ball as your chair, and then advanced exercises and with a simple forearm plank. Have a great day.